Welcome back to Daytime Live. All right, so it's wacky news time. So in La Junta, Colorado, USA, Tarantula mating season has drawn hundreds of enthusiasts and scientists eager to observe male spiders emerging from their burrows for the annual Tarantula Fest. Now, during the festivities, visitors use flashlights and car headlights to spot the arachnids, as local festivities feature a hairy leg contest and screening of arachnophobia.
Now, the festival promotes appreciation for these misunderstood spiders and their ecological role, helping families turn fear into fascination. Experts like biology professor Cara Shillington highlight that tarantulas pose little threat to humans and aims to educate the public about their nature. We know some people right now who would not go in there. Me included.
You know, I don't understand why we can't just live and let live.
Leave it.
Why we can't just leave things alone?
Because here what happen now. One of them spider there, I go jump in a smaddy car and go home with them.
No, but I guess I know everybody, everybody afraid of them. Like,
go buck up. No. Go buck up one female. Go down one part. And all of a sudden, a whole village of tarantulas.
No, but you know
invade one.
You know what I'm not clear about though? This hairy leg competition, right? Is for the spider them or the people?
Spiders are probably the judges, I don't know. I don't know.
I wonder because that's not this.
Me don't know.
I think we don't want to be a part for see that competition.
Remember see if people go swim with great white sharks, you know?
Yeah. And remember we did do a thing one time about earthworm. They might look for earthworm, like them shake up the ground and who can get more earthworms come out, like them have an earthworm watching ceremony in one state one time.
So hear me say now, when you can go swim with a great white and go look in their mouth and count how much teeth him have, I don't think nothing that I saw this video where some people drop a stone in a hole. After about 2 minutes, somebody listen for the stone drop. Then you finally hear, pluck. I know what happened after them drop the stone?
Somebody go in there?
Yes.
Mad.
That stone they gone still.
What
that stone they lost.
ethnicity?
Where that stone go? But it dropped. So you have to ask the question.
You know, there was a point in time when we said we would have never. But we've been doing some things.
And we are not we.
I don't know.
No, it's not we.
It's not we.
No, any one of the we's who did it is not we.
It's not we.
I'm just saying, any of the we's who do it,
it's not we.
They have too much time for them, man. Anyway, now Rihanna recently announced that finally her Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin, a line inspired by Rihanna's own beauty needs and the needs of dark-skinned women, will be available across the Caribbean, including her native Barbados, with products hitting stores on October 24.
Awesome stuff. So countries selected for the first rollout include Antigua, the Bahamas, Aruba, Bermuda, the Cayman Islands, Trinidad and Tobago, Grenada and St. Martin. While many were excited about this expansion, the absence of Jamaica from the list raised questions and frustrations among fans on social media. That is because she don't really come from here.
But no, we adapt her about 4 times.
Her and she's showing you that it's not there, so I come from.
Send her back.
Yeah, well, this is the first rollout.
I don't care.
I expect Jamaica.
I don't care. Everything Jamaica first in the Caribbean. Good, bad, and indifferent.
Everything we want.
We should, the first place in the Caribbean that it should land is here.
If an egg we were in Ireland, we don't have to be first for this.
We should have been the first.
Why, Mick?
No.
Barbados should come.
No, yes, so she come and film a video. Man down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. She never go Antigua and Barbados and do it.
No, but she lived there.
Antigua and Barbados.
No, Barbados.
Right, she never got Trinidad and Tobago.
Oh, you said should have been Barbados and Jamaica first.
You said Jamaica first, then Barbados after.
This is so.
I can't believe this, no man. You see, sure. Them something when them go to social media now and people start venting in a Jamaican way. You're gonna hear we bullying and all them someday. But I vent, we're because we're upset.
What's our feelings hurt?
Me upset, I'm in a makeup.
Yeah, we're hurt. We hurt. You hurt your feelings, Rihanna.
We hurt like the worm them.
Well, the same way, you know. But you hurt your feet.
It just hurt it. We hurt like the worm them.
I think I have some shout-outs.
That name moving
Right along. I think so.
After bigger Pro Physio.
Oh no, I did this.
After bigger Pro Physio in Trade Center, amazing physiotherapists and the gym. Craigie, they develop an app for all the clients now. They have us, listen to me, the gym workout, when you finish, you just go sleep.
Which
Noel Brown.
Oh.
He's one of the physiotherapists that travels with the national track and field
Wicked.
team. Yeah, man, bad. But the workout wicked though.
Believe you.
Like in the next 3 months, I tell you, I'm ready for fight war.
All right.
Not that I'm going
Let's hope one don't come up.
Big shout out to who?
Oh, may I have a shout out to the, Julian Chung and the management and staff at Tankwell, Jamaica. Big up on yourself. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Unicommerce Squad, big up.
Yeah, big up to Shams, the producer. He's in Jamaica for a little while. Big up Sean. Big up to Don Corleone. Yeah. You know, so I'm a G that. Big up to Stone Boy, who's on standby too. Big up my G. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Blessings, my general.
There you at.
Out there.
So we're going to do it right after this.
On that note, Daytime Live will be right back, and we're going to talk to Ghanaian, and we're actually going to Ghana, yeah? And we're going to speak to our friends.